subscribe with notifications on.
Hey sister, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Are you okay also? Are you married?
Yes.
Are you married?
Are you with her?
Yes.
Oh.
Ah, okay. No,
At least you are married.
you are married.
So this is for singers.
Okay.
Singers only. Singers only.
Otherwise, it was nice meeting you.
Okay.
We are from Mesh to Marry TV.
Okay.
My name is Poliswa Intombi Kamambwe. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Then do you want me to give you my yeah?
Yeah, so here guys, you know what we're doing, we go around interviewing people. Only singles, single people. If you are single
I'll give you.
or you are looking for a lady, are you looking for a partner, someone to marry, not someone to play around, but someone to marry, you can always hit us on the comment below and let us know where can we find you, where they can find you as well. Your Twitter handle, your Instagram handle, your Facebook handle, all those type of things. Then we can be able to match you with the person.
Bye, guys.
You know. So guys, we are progressing. We are moving. Let's see if we can get
I see a gentleman.
no, the brother here. Yeah, maybe the brother can tell us. We can get a brother here. How are you, my brother? I'm alright, man. You know, we are from Mesh to Marry TV. Right. What we do, we go around interviewing people, single people only. Are you guys married? You're not married. So it might happen that we will find someone for you, and that person will only contact you privately, not us, but privately. So tell me, are you from South Africa?
No, we are not from South Africa.
From which country are you from?
We are from Malawi.
From Malawi. Right. What type of woman are you looking for?
We are
We are
from
looking for a
Mesh
nice
to Marry.
woman, the one who's gonna make us be nice person, you know.
Nice. You see, guys. You see, a lot of South Africans has been complaining that about South African guys and all those type of things. He's a gentleman from Malawi, and he's so serious, and he's saying he's looking for someone very serious. So, my brother, tell me something. What is your name? What is your name?
Moses Yahu.
Moses Chavura. And where can they find, if someone is interested in you, maybe a lady who will say, no, you know what, I need to contact this guy. I'm very interested in this guy, and so forth. Where can they find you? And it can be your Twitter handle, your Facebook handle, or your Instagram handle.
You're gonna section me on the Facebook.
On Facebook,
Just is Moses Yahu.
Moses Chavura. So you can search for him, for Moses Chavura on Facebook. He's only available on Facebook, guys. Then you can contact him. Remember, we've got nothing to do with anything, but it's only between you, the viewer, and him. So you can contact him. When you contact him, tell him you are coming from Mesh to Marry TV, then so he can understand that he once did an interview with us. My brother, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Connected to their better partners.
All right. Okay. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. It's good. I'm helping you. I'm helping you. You might get a woman. You might get a woman. You might get a woman who might be interested in you.
And you get a woman.
You might be getting a woman that is interested in you. We are from a program called Mesh to Marry TV. We go around interviewing only single people who are looking for serious relationship.
I will see that on TV, no?
Eh?
No, on YouTube. On YouTube.
Yeah, but it's on TV also.
No, we
No, it's
don't
on
have it
YouTube.
TV yet.
We don't
So
have it on TV.
yeah, so we are going to give a link where you can actually go and check. There will be women from, listen to me, there will be women from America, from Brazil, from Argentina, from China, who might be interested in you. Are you getting my point? So what's your name? No, I'm helping you. He's so scared. Okay, let's go. He's so scared. All right. Let's go, guys. We're trying. But anyway, I think a lot of people are actually out. We are looking. We're still
You
looking,
are
guys.
too small, when.
Let's go to that man. Let's go to that man. I think that man is single. Maybe he might be looking for someone. She's going, guys. She's going. She's going, guys. She's going. She's going. Hello, Baba.
Men who are single and looking for a serious relationship, who are tired of playing around. Are you the one?
Are you married?
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
We're
no
looking
problem.
for. We're
But
looking
maybe
for
you may be interested to just
advice.
no, to just support us on our channel. We have another channel called Duxas Time where we interview people and just ask general questions. Yeah. We just ask like general questions. You can search my channel now, YouTube. Duxas Time. Check it out. Duxas Time. No, you can just write it on WhatsApp.
Yeah,
Maybe you
write
can
in WhatsApp
just
when you get home. You
watch-
can always watch it.
Yeah.
DUBS.
DUBS first time. Maybe you can just watch if you're interested and subscribe to see more videos that we do.
DUBS space first space time.
DUBS.
DUBS.
You see if you want that? DUBS is first time.
Yes,
When
first
you
time.
get home, go to YouTube and search that. You'll see this face, then you'll know, yeah, I saw this face. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. Keep your wife good, eh?
Yeah.
Don't cheat on her, eh?
Yeah,
Please, my brother.
don't.
All right,
Be
thank
a
you so
good
much.
man.
All right, sure. Well, so guys, yeah, we're going around. You know, if you are looking for someone, if you are single and you are looking for a serious relationship, feel free, guys, to contact us. You can always come on our comments down below. Say the type of a person that you're looking for. Then perhaps we can help you out to meet up with someone that can actually match you, you know, your needs. Because you know it's not easy, guys. You know, a lot of people are actually going on Facebook, they're going on Twitter and all those type of things, and on Instagram, you know, dating women that are not actually.
From Mesh to Mary TV. If you are single, Kuti, are you single?
No.
I
You
used
are
to sing
not
it.
Fast now.
Oh wow, beautiful. Make sure umphathe kakuhle umfazi wakho.
and then ngapha
Umphathe kakuhle
No, we
umfazi
do
wakho.
interviews.
We are from Mesh to Mary TV in Javanshilo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe you may want to support us. Maybe you and your wife can support us. We have another channel called Dope's First Time, and then you guys search up just to support us.
No, next time.
Next time.
Right now.
All right, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, let's move on. Maybe we can get those two guys there. I think maybe they can actually. She found someone.
And Mesh to Mary TV. So what I do is I talk to people who are single and looking for a better serious relationship. Are you single? Looking for a serious relationship. What is your name, sir? Matthew. Oh, Matthew,
Let's
nice
sit
to
on
meet
the
you.
on the sun a bit.
Are you interested looking for someone very serious? You do? Okay, we are very international. We are not just based in South Africa, but we are international. So what we do is we just ask you a few questions for our viewers to get to understand what kind of a person that you are. Are you ready? Okay, so you say your name is? Okay.
Matthews.
Matthew.
Matthew.
Guys, his name is Matthew. Matthew, you are single, right? You say it right? Matthew, guys, is single and is looking for someone very serious. He's tired of playing around. Okay, Matthew, tell me something. What kind of a woman are you looking for? And from which kind? Look at the viewers there and tell them. He's looking for a Khoza woman or a Tsonga?
It's Onga.
Tsonga woman. Ne?
Ishangan lady.
Wabula ya ndoda we.
Loko vulavula indoda ya wena le.
Ndoda we.
Exactly.
Okay, but you must be very serious. You must be a very serious person because he's a serious guy looking for someone very, very serious. Khoza woman or Mchangan,
Mchangan,
guys,
yeah.
Mchangan, yeah.
Mm.
So, Budi, what kind of a woman are you looking for? Qualities. What if she likes money? Are you okay with that? Even if you like money, he doesn't mind, he'll sort you out. That's what you're saying. You did say that, right?
Yeah, he's a hardworking man. You can see.
Yeah,
He's working.
Yeah.
You understand?
So you guys, you get for yourself.
Hmm.
So he's a man, a willing spender. Okay? So if you are interested, please contact him. Put in your Instagram, your Facebook, please tell them so they can get
Yeah,
you
just
easy.
give us your-
Because I don't want them to contact me, I want them to contact you.
Privately, they will contact you and say, I am from Mesh to Marry TV. I saw you on TV on this program, so I'm willing to get to know you better and so forth. So the two of you can. It won't be one person. Maybe there will be many people contacting you, but
You
at
choose
least
for yourself
you choose for yourself.
which one fits.
So
suits your
what's
needs.
your Facebook handle or your Twitter handle or your Instagram handle?
Do you have Facebook? Okay, give them.
Matthew
Matthew.
Matthews
Matthew who?
Matthews Chauke.
Okay.
Chauke.
Okay.
Matthews Chauke. Oh guys, his name is, his Facebook handle is Matthews Chauke. So whoever is interested in Matthews Chauke, please contact him. Tina, you must understand that we've got nothing to do with whatever that will happen behind the scenes. We're not going to hear or to know what's going to happen, but only the two of you are going to communicate.
Call
Contact
us
him.
only when you are telling us you're inviting us for a wedding. That's
Yeah,
all.
call us.
You can see, guys, he's a humble guy. Are you a Christian?
Are you a Christian? He's a Christian
Okay.
guy.
So, what if the woman is not Christian? You're gonna teach her. Okay.
Perfect.
He's willing to teach you.
Perfect. My brother, thank you so much. I really appreciate your efforts, my brother, and your time. So don't be surprised. They will contact you. There will be not only one woman, there will be plenty of them contacting you. So you just have to play your
Don't
cards.
take all of them. Be a good man. Yeah.
Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. All right, thank you. Welcome.
You understand? We're not here to help players to get their playmates. We help you get your future wife, you know? You understand? So what is your name, sir? Who? Natchez? Ignatius. Oh my goodness, Ignatius. His name is Ignatius, guys. I don't know if I'm calling it right, but you're gonna correct me, okay? Are you single, sir?
Yeah, I'm single.
Okay. He's single, guys. And how old are you, sir?
37.
He's only 37 years old, guys. It's the right time, you know, but his life starts at 40. So this man has been waiting, guys. So what age are you looking for in a woman? Up to what age?
Up to my age, like up to 40.
Up to 40 years. Nah? He doesn't mind to be a Ben 10, guys. Even if you are 40, you can come. Okay? The other thing I want to know, sir, what kind of a woman are you looking for? Qualities?
In terms of shape?
Try to speak up because I want the viewers to
In
hear.
terms of shape or what?
No, qualities.
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 Yeah.
I want a respectful woman.
Mhm.
A woman who can support me.
A woman
who's
who
got a
can,
vision.
a woman who's got a vision, a woman who can support him, a woman. You say it again?
Yeah. A woman who's like has got goals.
A woman with goals, guys. You must have goals.
With goals, you must actually have that passion to stand above everybody else.
Perfect.
Even
You must
if
have passion to stand above everybody else.
Yeah.
So this man is, guys, is a dreamer. So you must be a woman who will be able to push him to his dreams, guys. Please, ne? If you are looking for a serious man, you know that you are that vision, a woman who's got that vision. So here is a man who wants to build with you. So say more.
Yeah.
Tell them more.
Now,
You
we
must
need
charm,
to-
Pela.
we-
You
we-
must
we-
tell
we
them
need
more.
I mean, we need to stand as a one team. We see. As
Yes.
a team.
Yes.
Yeah.
As a team, we're like
A
one.
woman that you can live with your brother and come back, no problem.
No problem.
Exactly.
A woman who's like
Trusted
straightforward,
woman.
Trusted woman.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So now tell me, which countries are you focusing in getting this woman? What if a woman is from Mozambique? What if it's from Congo? What if it's from South Africa?
Because we
what
are
if it's from
international.
Swaziland? What if it's from America? What if it's from
Which country are you looking
Argentina?
for?
What if it's from China?
I don't mind any. comes from,
Mhm.
as long as he's got a good heart. You see.
Okay,
Perfect.
that's
As long
nice.
as he's got a vision on what we want to do and all that.
Perfect.
But what if now she likes money? Like you didn't say anything about that.
Money, obviously.
You
people
don't
like
want a
money.
woman who loves money, but you want someone who's passionate, who's willing to love and
You know what?
take you as you are and build together. Or,
Yeah.
like you said,
Oh.
you want someone to build together with you.
Yes.
You don't want someone who wants to come and milk
Yeah, that's it. I don't want someone to come and milk. I want someone to come and,
and
say,
build
okay,
with you.
let's make money.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Let's be one. Let's make money.
So, guys, you don't have to be a rich woman to marry this man or to meet this man. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we are here for serious relationships only. So, guys, you don't have to be a rich woman, but you don't have to worry. He's 37, right? You don't have to worry about your age. If you are 40, he doesn't worry. He can be a Benton. You can be a sugar mama. He will take you as long as you are willing to build with him. Okay?
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's not all about age
From
anyway.
37 going up to 40, he's fine with that. And you are from?
From Zimbabwe.
Ah,
Hey, that lady, remember that lady from
I
Zim?
thought you were gonna say a colored.
Remember that lady from Zim?
Ah,
She
you
said
now you
she's-
confused me.
She's looking for a Zim lady, a Zim guy. She strictly said she wants a Zim guy.
Wow. Okay, I guess
Yeah.
you must watch.
You must watch,
You
you'll
must
see.
watch.
We'll give you the name of the
You
channel
must watch.
tonight.
Maybe you'll definitely just be interested here at home.
You never know. You never know. You never know.
Exactly. So my brother, tell me, if they say they want to contact you, it can be, what is your Facebook handle? Facebook or Twitter or Instagram?
Facebook.
Facebook. What is your your name in Facebook?
Ignatius Mudoni.
Ignatius
Mudoni.
Mudoni. How do you spell it? Can you spell it for me?
M-U-T-O-N-H-I.
M-U-N-H-I.
M-U-T-O-N-H-I.
Is that your name?
That's my surname. My name is like I-G-N-A-T-I-U-S.
Perfect. So guys, you hear it, all right? So if you want to contact the gentleman, you can contact him on Facebook. He gave you the Facebook handle. You can always,
Can
you
you
know,
please repeat it again by yourself?
yeah. Is it
Just to be sure.
Ignatius?
Ignatius Mudoni.
Ignatius Mudoni. Ignatius Mudoni is his Facebook handle. Feel free, guys, to contact him. Remember, we are not going to be involved, you know.
Unless you want to invite us for a wedding.
Unless you want to invite us for your wedding, you can always contact us. Leave your comment down below. Then here's the man who is very serious, and he needs a very serious woman. He's very tired. You know, this thing of sometimes going to Facebook, going to Instagram, and all those type of things, sometimes it's confusing. So here's the man who's serious, looking for someone
And
who is
tired.
very,
He's tired of running around, guys.
exactly. Exactly.
His shoes are tired, guys.
They're worn out.
Yeah.
Exactly. My brother, thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right.
Anyone else in the car? You also